So the City After Dark program is designed for young people aged between 15 and 25 who are just starting to or about to go out at night with their friends to entertainment precincts. And the program is designed to provide them with an experiential tour led by a police officer, supported by our organisation, that gives them a hands-on feel for some of the environment that they will encounter and some of the risks that occur in that environment.
I've been attached with City After Dark ever since it started with Constable Care. Adults who come on the tour, teachers who come on the tour, and even the kids themselves, they all get so much out of it. The beauty of the tour, and what I love about it, is that what you learn, those little techniques, those little things will hold up anywhere in the world. What it can do is certainly give them skills so that if someone was looking for a target, they would be the harder target because they've got a bit more awareness about them. Kids often get a kick out of the fact that you're a police officer and that you ask them to call you Paul, you know, that they kind of see police as over there and enforcing law, and then when we're in there helping and joking and laughing with them and, you know, giving them information, they find that quite amazing.
So being awarded the Crime and Violence Prevention Award is just a major benefit for us as an organisation. The recognition for this program will help enormously with people realising that our foundation is not just a foundation about working with young children, it's also a foundation doing really valuable work for youth and Western Australian young people.
It really gives us a lot of credence that what we're doing is important and matters, and on a national level it stands up.